friends, today I'm going to teach you how to clean your diffusers. I'm Mandy Sommers, and for the best essential oil education, click the subscribe button and hit the bell so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. Now today in our video, we're going to go over some of my favorite diffusers and how to clean them. Now, if you stick around to the end, I'll teach you how to download my free diffuser guide. It's going to be worth it. So let's jump right in. I have 3 diffusers. All 3 of these are from doTERRA International, and you can order them on their website. I will put the links in the description below. I love these diffusers and I use them all over my house. I've got multiples of each one. So the first one we're going to talk about is the Petal Diffuser. This is what it looks like. It's a tan and white, and it runs for 2, 6, or 12 hours intermittently. So it'll go 5 minutes on, 5 minutes off for up to 12 hours. Now it also has a light that you can use with it. Now to clean this diffuser, you just take the top off. You take the top off, and this is what it looks like inside. Now this diffuser is actually brand new. I just got a brand new one yesterday. I've got my other ones around the house. And so it doesn't look dirty to me. But when you clean this out, there's a couple things to remember. First of all, you always want to dump the water from the back out so that it doesn't run down into the buttons. The next thing that you want to do is make sure that you have a cloth or a paper towel. I've got 2 here. One of them I use to get the wet out, and I'll show you in some of my other ones that I've just dumped out. And so you'll use this one, wipe out the inside. Now you'll see right in the middle, let's see right there, right here, there's a hole. This red dot is where you're supposed to put your water up to that red dot. Now, in that little hole in the middle, when I'm cleaning it out, I get a Q-tip. You can put some rubbing alcohol on it if you want or not, and you just swipe it on the inside there to clean it out. That is my favorite way. Then you rinse it with a little bit of water. Remember to dump it out towards the back. The next one I'm going to share with you is this cute little Breve Diffuser. Can you see that? It's kind of marbled. This one comes in white or black marbled. So we have a black one for my son's room, and this white one actually goes in some of the different bathrooms. It's smaller, so that means it's going to cover a smaller area. So it's great for those places like the bathroom, a small bedroom, things like that. Now the Breve Diffuser goes for 2 hours, 5 hours, and 10 hours intermittently, and it's 5 minutes on, 5 minutes off. Now this particular diffuser, I actually just dumped out. Once again, you want to dump it out backwards, not across where the buttons are, the electronics. You can see here's the inside. It looks just like the Petal Diffuser, just a few little differences, but the red dot is where you fill the line to. So you use your napkin or your towel, whatever you've got. You clean out the inside, and this will get all of the oil residue out. Then you take your Q-tip, you can see it right here, and you swipe it around that just very carefully so you don't mess with any of the mechanisms. This one doesn't have an electronics right there. You also can pull out the middle piece. Can you see that there? So you can wash this off. And then you can get down even deeper. This helps to get all of the, some oils like vetiver are super strong smelling. And so those are definitely ones that you would want to clean out after you've used it. Okay, so you put that middle piece, you pop that back in, and sometimes I like to just rinse this off and scrub it with a bristle brush or something. The last one is this beautiful diffuser. This is called the Lumo Lite, or the Aroma. No, this is the Lumo. Sorry, we've got another one. I didn't grab the Aroma Lite. And this one is, once again, you can just rinse this with soapy water, wash that off. If you look on the inside here, there you go. You can see once again, there's a center circle that we're going to clean out, and there's that red dot. That's to where you you put the water to. This one has a 2-hour, 5-hour, and 10-hour intermittent every 5 minutes. Once again, this one comes with the mist and the light, so you can choose what you want in the different colors. And then you take the other side of your Q-tip, put it right down there. Let's just see, I don't think I can show you. But you get that little center dot in the middle, the circle. Clean that out and rinse it with water. And there you have it. You've got clean diffusers. So there you have it. That's how I like to clean my doTERRA diffusers. And some of my favorite ones, these 3 are the ones that I use probably the most around my house. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and click that bell so you can be notified. Now, I promised at the end that I would share with you how to download your diffuser guide. That can be found in the description below. Follow that link and you'll get the prompt, and then you'll be able to download that awesome diffuser guide. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and remember, you are amazing.